Hey, do you like writing? Do you like graphic design? Do you like data analysis? And do you want to make a lot of money? Well, then starting an affiliate marketing business is a really good idea for you. And it's something that I did back a number of years ago when I got started and have made over $20 million in my time doing affiliate marketing. I'm going to go over the costs of starting an affiliate marketing business. I'm going to go over not just the costs in terms of money, but I'm going to go over the costs in terms of time in this video and walk you through exactly how much everything costs and how much time I would say everything would take if you're starting an affiliate marketing business the right way and want to make lots of money on autopilot like I was able to do years ago, and still to this day I'm earning tens of thousands of dollars a month from. Let's go. Now, the great thing about affiliate marketing is that you can start an affiliate marketing business for absolutely nothing. You don't need any money to get started in an affiliate marketing business. So literally everything I'm gonna go over right here is 100% optional. But if you wanna start an affiliate marketing business the right way, this is what I suggest you do. And yes, it does cost some money. And yes, it takes time. But if you follow in my footsteps, I've earned over $20 million at this point doing affiliate marketing, and I've trained tens of thousands of affiliate marketers, some of whom have become multi-millionaires, even one decamillionaire that has gone through my trainings. So I'm hoping that I have a right place to talk from. Now, the first really important thing when you're starting an affiliate marketing business is having a domain name and hosting. Having a website or a domain is really important because you'll need that to get accepted to a lot of the different affiliate networks such as Amazon and Walmart and a lot of other affiliate networks out there that you might want to join. Now, for $177, you can have a domain name and hosting, so you can have your own website for a year at that amount of money. And if you want to use my favorite company that I use for domain names, you can check out the link down in the description or in one of the pinned comments. It's johncristani.com/top3, which is my top companies for domain names. Now, the importance of having a website is that you'll need a website to get accepted to many of the different affiliate networks out there that give you products or services that you can promote and earn commissions from. Now, affiliate networks are typically free. 99% of them are 100% free, and the paid ones aren't really worth joining. But some affiliate networks require you to have a domain name. For example, Amazon is a huge affiliate network that pays out tons of money of commissions. Hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars are paid out by Amazon to different affiliate partners, but you need a domain name to be able to resell Amazon's products and earn commissions from them. The next thing you'll need is a website builder, and the website builder I recommend is Clickfunnels. For 3 months, it'll cost you $291, and I figure 3 months is kind of a timeline that will give you enough time to get used to Clickfunnels or learn how to build websites on your own. Now, at $97 a month, that'll cost you a cool $291 for 3 months while you're figuring out the ropes of either building websites yourself or making money. Clickfunnels is fantastic. I still use it to this day. You don't need to know any programming whatsoever. Clickfunnels does a lot of that work for you, and they integrate with a lot of other websites. That's $291 right there. I recommend about $1,000 for advertising. The way I do affiliate marketing is I've never been one for patience and waiting a long time to get the ball rolling. I want to earn money right now. And the best way to get yourself out there, to get your websites out in front of people, is by using advertising to fuel that. So that's why I recommend $1,000. Now you could go out about affiliate marketing other ways. I have a bunch of free training videos on affiliate marketing, which show you how you can grow an audience on Instagram, on YouTube, on other social media networks. Really put your face out there and kind of dance around like a monkey, get likes and stuff.
So like us.
Oh wait, give a like for this video, by the way. But you might not want to do that. You might not want to be a social media person. You might not want to put your face out there. You might be embarrassed. You might feel like social shame or what would my friends think? What would my family think? Which is why I always bought ads. I didn't want to put my face out on the internet, but in the last couple of years I have, and I hope you enjoy. $1,188 for training and support. The way I learned was I joined a affiliate marketing kind of forum for $99 a month. And I was a member of that forum for years, 3 or 4 years, until I was able to really get my start and start earning money in affiliate marketing. That was a lot of money, but it was really good because the reason why you need a community and support and training in any business is because you might come against roadblocks or obstacles. When you're starting a business, when you're becoming an entrepreneur, nothing is ever going to be step by step 100% laid out for you, because that's why it's a business, not a job. That's why you have unlimited income rather than a hourly salary. So you need to have some sort of support when you're going through affiliate marketing or any business, whether you're starting e-commerce or stock trading or real estate. You need that support network in place. So that's why training and support is an important line item many people forget about. But beyond just training and support, you're also going to want to invest in going to the #1 conference that happens each year in affiliate marketing called Affiliate Summit West. The reason why you want to actually go to a conference of what you're doing is because that's what normal people do. They go to conferences to learn about the business they're getting in. They meet in real life folks that are doing what they want to do in real life, because otherwise it doesn't seem real. And this is also a little trick to motivate your brain and get you moving towards that success. Again, as I said, you can start affiliate marketing for free just by watching my videos. But the real way I recommend, if you're getting started, do all of these things. All of these costs to start an affiliate marketing business added up equals $3,656. That is a very reasonable price and amount to start a business. The typical business costs about $250,000 to start, or somewhere in the range of $50,000 to $250,000. That's what most franchises sell for. That's what most business startup costs go for. That's what a year lease on a commercial office location for a brick and mortar business might be. Starting a normal business costs at least 10 times more than the amount right here. So understand, when you are starting a business, you are starting something that hopefully going to become your job, hopefully going to be the income provider for the rest of your life. So you need to take it seriously, and $3,600 is a reasonable, cheap sum of money to start a real business that can earn you millions. The costs in terms of time are also steep when starting a business, but so are the costs of time when you're starting a relationship, or if you're starting a new workout routine. You need to invest your time to get fit or to get in a happy relationship. Same thing with businesses. I recommend 120 hours of trial and error practicing doing affiliate marketing, meaning spending those ad dollars, joining affiliate networks, going through trainings, 120 hours actually doing the affiliate marketing, ads, writing ads, researching ads, data analysis, looking at offers, talking to your affiliate managers. And by the same note, I recommend almost an equal amount of time learning skills that are going to help you in whatever type of affiliate marketing you're doing, whether you're promoting nutritional supplements that make people strong or give folks beautiful skin or help people lose weight, or if you're advertising or promoting mobile gaming apps to get people to download stuff or what have you, or if you're promoting software programs or services, whatever types of products or services you're promoting, anything around can be marketed as an affiliate nowadays. You'll need time learning skills. Now, the skills I teach in my training programs and on this YouTube channel are copywriting, how to use ad networks, and data analysis and many other things, video editing, photo editing, etc. Using software programs like TikTok ads or Snapchat ads, Instagram ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, propeller ads, pop-up ads, push notifications, all these different types of advertising out there. There's a lot of big terms. Take time to learn, and they probably sound like Greek to you right now. But again, they have help desks, they have documentation, they have support areas, they have trainings of their own. You can go through all of those and learn and become a master at whatever area you are looking to advertise on. Maybe it's Instagram, maybe it's Pinterest. You can become a master just by experimenting and reading through all the information they have to offer. Now, if I didn't scare you off with those huge money numbers or those 200 hours of amount of time that you need to invest in this business if you really want a serious take at it, then great, because there is an alternative to spending hundreds of hours and $4,000 just getting started with affiliate marketing. And that's my training course, the Super Affiliate System, which thousands of folks have gone through now, and some people have become millionaires. I've even had one student become a decamillionaire who's made tens of millions of dollars. And I've had many more students make hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars, tens of thousands, or even just thousands of dollars going through my training program. It takes the time down to 25 hours for training. And part of the course is trial and error. So going through and getting used to working with Instagram ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, and all the different ad networks is all inside the course. We also give you $1,200 of ad coupons, and we show you how to get that money for free advertising, and we get you a free domain name and lifetime hosting as a member of our program. So effectively what you're doing is you are getting rid of domain name and hosting. We also have a website builder. So we give you pre-done landing pages for the top affiliate offers on ClickBank right now. The top 50 ClickBank products, we have landing pages already done for you. So you don't need to pay that money to Clickfunnels, domain name, hosting. You have $1,200 of ad coupons, and you have your training and support. The only thing we don't give for free is a ticket to Affiliate Summit. Well, it's not my conference, but it would be exciting to see you there as well. So we take that down, and you don't have to pay $3,000. My course is $997, and you have lifetime access to all of these things and materials, and we update it frequently. We take the time of practice way down. You're still gonna have to do your own trial and error like any business to really build your business up, but we take this down, at least the skill building, down to 25 hours, and we dramatically decrease the learning curve that it will take you to actually get started in this business. And once again, if you enjoy writing, if you enjoy graphic design, if you enjoy data analysis or photo or image editing, affiliate marketing is a really great business that you should look into and give yourself a shot at starting your own business and making real money, because jobs and wages and salaries, they're going away, folks. The world's moving away from that. That's not where the opportunity is. Everybody already knows that. You already know that if you're here. So if you want to check out the Super Affiliate System, there will be a link down in the description or in one of the pinned comments that will give you access to a free training session which will teach you more about what it is I do as an affiliate marketer, how I've been able to earn tens of millions of dollars, and how my students have also been able to earn tens of millions of dollars from doing affiliate marketing and completely change their lives. So check it out. The link is in the description. It's johncristani.com/GOAT, and you can check out more information. If you enjoyed this video, if you loved it, hit the like button. If you want to see more content on affiliate marketing and learn how you can really get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel and check out my homepage, my channel homepage, which has a bunch of free traffic methods which show you how you can start affiliate marketing with zero money, zero training or skills or experience, just starting from scratch, I have a lot of videos that show you that way. But in all sincerity, this is what I recommend you do. This is how I recommend you start and really get yourself set up to earn millions of dollars like me and my students have. Thanks for watching. Talk soon.